Hi guys, so we are getting many queries regarding the preloading text of presenter, and the queries are regarding either removing the text entirely from the preloading text or changing the text. So I just thought of creating this video just to clarify a few things and how to actually do this. So we cannot completely remove the text from the preloader, but you can definitely modify it. And although there is no direct way or a UI way to modify it, let me show you that it is very simple and you can do it. So let us begin. In this small video I'll explain you how to change this particular loading text which appears when you load your Adobe Presenter published content, and by default it gives you Adobe Presenter. So as I told you, there is a file in which you need to do a small modification. Let me show you where that file is located. When you publish your presenter content, go to the published folder, and then inside that folder look for the data folder. Go inside the data folder and look for a specific file which is called vcconfig.xml. You can right click the file and say open with any text editor, or if you have a XML editor on your machine, you can open it. A simple notepad will also do to open this XML file. So just right click on the file and open it. Once you open the file, you will get some text, something like this. I've just taken a snapshot and I'm showing it on the screen. I'm assuming that you are publishing your presenter content in English, or your presenter is in English. In that case, inside the file, look for this particular icon, which is language ID equal to en. If you are in another language, say Spanish, Japanese, no problem. Open the same file and look for the language ID as DE for French, JP for Japanese. Everything will be present in the same text file. So assuming you are in English, look for language ID EN. You need to do some changes around this. Then within this tag EN, at the bottom, just add this particular line. I'll just pause here for a few seconds so that you can make a note of this line, or at least grab a snapshot of this video. So here, write the text which you see in red, write it as it is, and the text which you see in green should be the one which you want in the preloading text, right? So this is the text which you need to add. And once you do this, this is how your preloading screen will look like. So without wasting any time, let us see a quick demo on how to achieve this. So I have this sample presentation which I have created for this video, and I have already published it. Let me show you with the same published output. So I go to my published location, and I have published my files or this presentation inside this folder. So I get all these files when I publish it. Inside this, I look for the data folder. Inside the data folder, I look for the vconfig.xml. I right click on it and I say open with my XML editor. It opens up in the notepad file. Now while I am on top, I just scroll down a bit and I look for this en tag. Within this particular tag, let me scroll down, and right at the bottom, say somewhere here, within this language tag, I type in my text. So I'll quickly copy the text which I want to type. I copy it, I come here and I paste it. And this is the text which I'm saying we need to add. And this value can be anything. I'm writing Mukul, or I can write demo text, and this is the line which we need to add. Once you do this, just Ctrl S to save this document, and close. Remember, if you are working on in some other language presenter, you need to look for that language ID and make suitable changes within that tag. Fine. So once I have done with these changes, I save and I close my document. That's it. It's done. Go to your viewer.swift once again and play your content, say index.html. Double click and play the content, and you will see that the content plays with your text. I hope you saw that. That was pretty quick. So this is how you change the preloading text on your presenter published output. It's a very simple one-line change in the vconfig.xml file. So this was how you change the text. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.